Hi guys, what's up? Right, so I have another unboxing for you guys today, and you know that I got this iPad 12.9 inch, which is the newest model in the Apple series. I didn't have the pencil with it, so what I did was I ordered the Apple Pencil and I got it. So guys, this is the Apple Pencil which I've ordered for this iPad. If you haven't watched the video of my iPad, go ahead and check that out. It's really cool. It's just a simple unboxing. And here we have the iPad, which is the 12.9 inch version. Why I got this one, because the reason is that I want to take a lot of notes and I'm doing all my work, so that is why this is going to be my main sort of notebook and my way to work instead of jotting down notes on different notebooks. So it's going to be done by this Apple Pencil and the iPad. So guys, I've ordered this Apple Pencil and wanted to make a quick unboxing of it. So in the UK it costs £119, and just zoom in for you guys. And so that's the serial number, and obviously over here on the back it shows how it just magnetically sticks. As you guys know, that when I did the unboxing for my iPad, I tried the older version of the Apple Pencil to work with it, but it obviously doesn't stick as well. So guys, that is why I had to order this Apple Pencil for the second generation. And it says over here that it's for the iPad 11 and 12.9 inch, and it's applicable for the third generation of the iPad. On the side it has the Apple Pencil written over here, and on both sides. Front you have the picture of the Apple Pencil, and let's go ahead and unbox it. So guys, first of all, you know, it's always sealed. Apple products are really nicely packaged, so just gonna open this seal here. So guys, first off, the packaging, it's completely matte, and box, it's not plastic, it's paper or something like that, and it's got this plastic sort of pull area where you can pull it. Here we go guys. So as usual, you know that Apple always, whenever they make the products, they come with these leaflets, and that is the Apple Pencil. So it comes with this plastic sort of seal on it. That's pretty much it in the box. Nothing else is in the box. So nothing else is in the box, it's just the pencil. Now, the first thing what you note on the pencil is that it's on one side it's flat, and on the other side it's round. The top is round and it's got the same sort of nib. Seems to be quite matte. It's not like slippery and shiny like the older version. So here we have the iPad 12.9 inch, and all it does is that it literally sticks like that. You see guys, very simple, good magnetic grip. If I just leave it, you see how it's sticking. So the strength for it to stick, it's quite cool, and obviously it'll stick in the center. So you have the volume rockers over here for the iPad, and it's not going to stick over here, but definitely it's going to have a very strong grip over here, and on the left side it won't stick, neither it'll stick on the right side. You see, the only place it can stick is over here, and that's it. So it just goes like that. So as soon as you stick the Apple Pencil, it says welcome to iPad. So guys, I'm just going to take off the Apple Pencil, and then I'm going to stick it back in again, and that's the notification which comes. That's pretty cool. So it says Apple Pencil, it'll say unlock to connect. So as soon as I unlock the iPad, that's the first thing your iPad will tell you, that it'll say use apps in a whole new way, create an instant note, and switch tools with a gesture. Because with this Apple Pencil, what you can do is you can literally double tap, and it will change the different functions. So guys, we'll just start off by a new note. As soon as I'll take off the Apple Pencil, it's already connected. So it says your fingers will be used for scrolling instead. You can change this later in note settings. You see guys, I can change, so it's changed from to razor to pen. So if I double tap, so that's the razor. If I double tap, that's the pen. So that is pretty cool guys. I mean, what I feel with this Apple Pencil is it's quite smooth. The writing is quite smooth, but obviously I'll be writing notes with it, and I will see how it works. because that's why I got this 12.9-inch iPad. That was the main reason. And obviously I wanted to experience the full screen touch so that I can study, I can work with it. And so guys, yeah, so this was the unboxing and the usability of the Apple Pencil. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts about the Apple Pencil, and I'll reply back to you. So guys, catch you in my next video then. Bye for now guys.